I'm going to the quarry is I'm going to look for some rocks for about a 40-gallon fish tank to replace I had a 10-gallon one which was really well furnished and it was really well done. But I want to try discus, which is considered the king of tropical fish. So I'm going to try that out. But I need to go look for some rocks and driftwood from the pet store to see if they have some. And then go from there. And since it's such a nice day outside, yeah, I just decided to do that. Whoa. Gotta watch those speeds in those corners right there. That was kind of dodgy. That was a little bit dodgy. Yeah, just a little bit dodgy. Anyway, alright, let's keep going. So yeah, I'm gonna go through that the quarry. It's a really nice day. It's like low 70s probably at the moment. I'm probably going into a headwind now. So probably gonna go around 24 or so. Yeah, after that close call right there, probably 24 just to relax my, get into the groove of riding a little bit again. I have been riding quite a bit too, but just haven't taken any videos. Most of it was just local, so stuff that's within like 4 or 5 miles one way, which I usually, at that point, I just use I don't use the generator at all, I just use the battery. And that battery, replacing that battery with the new cell, I know that before I was at 75% capacity before because I had to replace the cell, I had to take out another cell to balance it. But even before that, the battery was slumping anyway. So now that I have that battery replaced, it performs so much better in terms of just like efficiency and voltage sag when it's only on battery, that is. It performs so much better that there's really no need to use the generator when I'm doing something that's like less than 5 miles one way. And obviously, you don't get glocked also. Well, I do still get glocked even on the battery because this thing looks like a motorbike. We're like 27, 28 at the moment. As I mentioned in the previous video, I'm going to go a little bit faster than I used to. Probably around 2 to 3 miles on average, a little faster. Especially now since I have the battery replaced. Yeah. So I'm just go a little bit faster. And also I want to go there quickly. I mean, if I wanted to go there quickly, I'll just take the car. But I still like to get there a little bit quicker than I usually do if I were to just go an average of like 22. So I'm probably going an average of like 24. Considering both in the wind or into a headwind and with a tailwind. So probably around 24. The bike is performing really well. I tightened the chain so I don't have any more chain jumps, which was a big problem before. Tightened the chain, I've removed like 2 or 3 links. I don't know, I don't remember. I removed quite a number of links. I also got the tail light, not the one from China, but the one from a US dollar. It's really nice. It's like in the shape of a bone. I don't have a dog either. I'm not a dog person, but it's still pretty nice. being exposed to the air, you get such high amounts of like wind noise and also engine noise that you just want to like block that noise. So I'm not actually listening to music. So yeah, okay, so that's the guy running in the middle of the, not sure why he's running there. Anyway, so yeah, along with the tank, I'm probably gonna make videos about setting up the discus tank. Discus tanks are pretty, they're not popular, but it's more the higher quality. They're kind of considered the king of tropical fish. So here I'm going to do a kind of like a roundabout to get to my next. Ideally, I would just go on the highway there, but obviously you can't go on the highway with a motorized bike. I would love to go on the highway. It saves so much time, and also I hate going on big hills because I think it really taxes the motor and all the gears and stuff like that. It just taxes the system more. So I love like it's not that the hills are I can't do hills, but yeah, the added requirements or the added power needed and wear on the gears. If you can avoid it. In that case, I can't avoid it because I can't go on the highway. So I have to go all the way down here, probably go about a quarter of a mile more than I should have to get to where I need to go. Beautiful day to go out. Not too windy. There is some wind, but it's not that windy. Anyway, I'm going to stop the video in a little bit, and I'll start it up a little bit closer when I can go a little faster.